In this video, you'll witness the consequences of our decision to venture deep into enemy territory. The prospects of a safe return are uncertain. Let's see what destiny has in store for us.
Yo.
I met up with a few of my team members, Arrow, Deli, and Leon. Now we will make our way into the dense forest, hoping to infiltrate the enemy and set up an excellent tactical ambush. An enemy player informs us that we are in their spawn. We must move away because we are not allowed to camp too near an opponent's spawn. Suddenly, a rush of adrenaline washes over me as I spot an enemy player approaching.
Man.
Luckily for him, he's already dead, otherwise he would have gotten lit the up.
If you tell them where we are, we'll cut your throat.
His reaction made it perfectly clear that he didn't find my joke very funny. Together with my team, we devised a brilliant strategy to slip into the midst of the battle undetected.
Man.
As we advanced towards our objective, we suddenly found ourselves face to face with an enemy convoy. Suddenly, a loud bang breaks the silence as the sound of gunshot echoes through the air.
Contact, 12 o'clock at me.
We were prepared for any situation, and our swift and strategic response helped us overcome the enemy's advances.
$12 at me, coming up.
As we press on towards the main action, we find ourselves completely encircled by the enemy. It's clear that we're facing a formidable challenge, but we won't be deterred. With our determination and unwavering courage, we'll keep fighting our way through.
So man, come down on the left.
Despite being in a vulnerable position, my plan is to slow down the enemy and buy some time for the rest of the squad to advance. By moving in slowly up on the enemy, I aim to create an element of surprise. saw the enemy advancing, but my teammate was too distracted by his one-on-one gunfight to notice my warning.
Далее отъелем оклад, дамасама таетен оклад.
We are dead, and it is going to be a long journey back to our respawn point. Back from the land of the dead and heading straight into the heart of the battle. But first I must go for a little swim. You'll never hear a true warrior complaining about a bit of mud on his foot or getting his toe wet. Those kind of whinging and moaning are for little girls. With the wind in my favor, it's certainly enhancing the performance of my MTW, giving me shots with excellent range and accuracy considering this is just a toy gun. Now for a quick mag change. One advantage of Airsoft is the ability to see the BBs approaching, and if you are quick, you can dodge them. We are currently engaged in a proper shootout and cannot move from our position.
Yeah, I called it.
You won't believe what's about to happen next. I was gutted when this ghillie sniper snuck up behind us and took loads of us out. The marshal seems to enjoy it, but all I could think about was revenge, especially when he made a scream of victory.
Cheers.
Have you ever felt so humiliated that you just wanted to make your enemy pay? Well, what happened next was beyond my wildest imagination. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. A swift and flawless execution, just the way I like it. The sound of BBs pinging against the side of the black cab was subtle, but not unnoticeable. Trying to figure out the origin of the noise was a mystery.
Again?
The same ghillie who had just killed us was now standing in front of us. It was impossible for him to have respawned so quickly as his respawn point was far away. However, I decided to let him have his moment of glory and left him to battle with his own conscience about whether his actions were truly credible.
Huh?
No, it's unflim. I've just realised I've got it on my head, you know, because I'm not normally have it. You did the same thing around here with me.
Yeah.
I'm
What?
coming back.
Oh yeah, it was you, wasn't it?
Sorry.
Right, my man's on the rampage. He should go to the town centre.
No!
How much more minutes left?
Can you follow
About 4 minutes.
Yeah, well,
That's why I'm standing here.
can't believe he come do the same thing to me again.
No, but he didn't. Oh, wait.
He respawn quick though.
There's no way.
Ain't no way he could respawn that quick.
No way.
I know, but it's alright. Cause I'm like, nah man, that's too quick to respawn.
Oh, fucking brilliant.
Check out this next video if you want to see me playing as a ghillie sniper.